Frequently asked questions. A lot of the people say, what about when we wash our private parts after answering the call of nature and we feel splashes? Akhi, either there are splashes or there are no splashes. How do I know? You can touch the area, and if there's dry, then you know that this is whispers of Shaytan. Move on. Okay, if there are splashes, Sheikh, we find wetness. This wetness, either it's pure or impure. How would we know? We're not going to take a sample to the lab and ask them to analyze it, or to check it out. The vast majority, the vast issues is that if the water in the toilet seat has impurities, then definitely these splashes are impure. With wet hands, you can wipe the area of your body, and that's it. End of the issue. You don't have to go down in the shower. But if the vast majority of water in the toilet seat is pure because you've used a lot of water to purify yourself, maybe you flushed it, then you washed yourself, then the default is it's pure until proven otherwise. So you have these two possibilities. Either way, you don't have to go to the shower and wash all of yourself, or spend like 4 minutes or 3 minutes washing or cleaning yourself. If there are spots of impurities, all what you have to do with wet hands, just wipe it and it is